Do you suffer from back pain in this area? I'm gonna show you guys a technique that you could do to release your own spine or your partner's spine. My name is Dr. Austin Blanchon. I'm a chiropractor, and I'm gonna show you today how to release this part of your spine right here where your ribs are. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna lean towards the side like this, and then you're gonna bend down just like so, grabbing onto something with your top hand. Then you're going to step forward. You're gonna copy what I do. You go like this. And then I'm gonna help her. She's gonna lean into me and I'm gonna stretch here. And then my hands are gonna go by these two body parts and I'm gonna separate these body parts right here. Twist and grab and then do a bunch of techniques, slightly applying pressure and squeezing. And I'm gonna slowly stretch this area, just as you see here. This is gonna help get a nice stretch all along the sides of the spine. I'm gonna make sure that she's center, just like this. And then she feels a stretch right here, correct? Yes, she's nodding her head. The whole goal is to open up the area by her ribs. And I'm gonna tell her take about 10 deep breaths in and out. After about 1 or 2 minutes, she's gonna come on up. And then can I have you just switch sides? My hands grab onto the ribs like this. My other side hand goes by the hip bone. And then I'm gonna slightly apply pressure and just open this area up. Make sure that she's vertical and that her spine is not arched. Good, can you lean more into me a little bit? So she's pushing her hip this way and she's bringing this side shoulder down just like this. That exposes this area like we're pulling a bow and arrow, and that's gonna help with the stretch in this area. Typically, I recommend people do this on a doorway, and this will help. Can I have you go now do the other side? So this will help stretch that area to help alleviate some back discomfort. But a lot of people, you'll notice, is they get skin wrinkles in this area, and that's mainly because that area of their back is also really tight, and they might have improper breathing. So do that same thing. So the whole goal is to stretch this area, which can help to tone that area up, helping reduce any of the tightness or pain in the area if their pain is associated with their mechanical part of their back and not other body parts. And then this will also help with tightening up of the skin, reducing any of that compressed spine or that compressed skin or any of the wrinkles of the skin. So bend down here, push your hips towards me. Push, push, push. So I'm gonna center her hips up and I'm gonna tilt her rib cage down like this. There you guys go. You guys can see how she has a bend in her spine. That's what we want. Can I do come on back up? Yes, you do need to be pretty physical with this stretch, but you can tell, does it make a difference when I'm forcing it?
I can feel the stretch.
She can feel the stretch kind of in your hip. This is called the Quadratus lumborum stretch. You can search that muscle. It's a very four-shaped muscle in your lower back. So do your other side. So to stretch your left side, you go like this. So you guys need to scissor your leg and kind of crunch your ribs into the same side. There you go. She gets it, and then we're gonna open up this area here. So open up, do that same thing again. So then my hands, I'm gonna grab onto the ribs and I'm gonna slightly take her into this twisting position, and then I'm gonna go this. Good, and then push this hip over a little bit, pull, 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 good. And then I'm gonna help guide her in here, but I'm gonna be gentle to not hurt her ribs. Is this stretch okay? Yeah, it's pretty intense, but you guys could tell it just stretches this body part and then I lift him back up. Doing 2 to 4 sets of that can really help a long way because so many people are tight right here. They have so many rolls, and if you stretch it out, it typically makes their back feel a lot better. It might even improve your digestion. It may help reduce any of that back tightness or back cramping or any of those wrinkles that you see in the skin right where the rib cage meets their little iliac crest hip bone area. Hope you guys like these stretch. Check out for more videos on how you guys can help stretch your back, feel good. We have plenty of self-massage techniques that can help you and your loved ones stay connected and stay pain-free.